What's up? Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Today I'm going to be working on my wife's Blazer 1991 S10 Blazer. She's had it for a very long time, so we're going to keep it. Putting it in a heater core today, so she's got to drive it. Again, it's been sitting for a little bit, so it's getting harder for her to get in and out of the Audi. She is almost 8 months pregnant, so get my first kid. Yeah, so happy. This is the wife's Blazer. This thing is clean. Just took it to Anaheim the other, or actually this weekend. No flaws. Little bitty thing. And oh yeah, also I'm gonna put a new handle on the other side. The spring broke, so it's just cheaper to go to Dorman.com. Delivered for 20 bucks, I think. So it's not bad. And then so what I gotta do is unbolt under here all this under panel right here. Undo all that. And then there's two main bolts on the dash I pull out, and then I kind of wedge the heater core out of the dash that way. It's a lot easier than doing it the other way that I've seen on the video, so I'll see if I can get as best footage as I can. Alright, let's get started. Loosen this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt, and I should have enough room to slide the dash forward slightly so I can sneak the heater core out. Should. And I think this one, but I might be able to leave that one. I think I'd take this one off. Little 1/4" screws here, here, and I think that's it. Because I think I left the top one off just for next time, be easier access. Yep, I think I did. I'll tell you the truth. We'll soon find out. So I did put the top one on. Alright, so gotta take apart the glove box. Crap. It's all coming back to me. I took all the stuff out of the glove box. I forgot. There's an access panel in the back. You take off those two screws. That one and that one. And that gets you access to the either one or two top bolts to take off the cover to access to the heater core. This is what it looks like with the panel off. So you can get access to, where is it? There it is, that bolt right there. You can barely see it. I'll circle it. Then there's another one way down in this corner down there. That's the one I didn't put back because you got to take out the radio and everything else like that. So I only put the top one and the two bottom ones, and it seals just fine. Okay, now this panel should come out. Disconnect the little tubes. No problemo. There we go. This little guy right here. That's for the defrost. Yep. Here's the other one. Alright, cool. Not a problem. And you can see where it was leaking. Grab you guys here. And you can see up in there. Let's see. Oh, focus. Yeah, but you can see traces of it, but it was leaking right there. In the corner of the Alright, so it wasn't crazy. It didn't even last like 6 months. But, I don't know. Might have been a faulty one. Hopefully this next one lasts longer. Got two little metal straps to hold it down. Just loosen those up. Should come right out. Right in place, like a glove. Get that in there. Yeah, get that one in there. baby. I'm gonna go up top. Or actually, no, I'll finish up down here. Let's see. So I'll put this back cover back on. Who knows that trick? Put a piece of paper in between the socket and the bolt so it doesn't fall out. I know, there's magnetic ones, but hey, that's how old school I am. Check that out. Like that, huh? Now to put this panel back on, but whoa. Not so fast, buddy. All right. Back in there. Put the 10mm bolts back. Shoot, man, wasting all this time. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's the old one. I'll show you where it was leaking from. Let's see. From right there. That corner. So yeah, somehow the seam busted or something. So Now all I gotta do is hook up those two end hoses, which are right here. All I did was hook up a little T elbow. So now I'll just hook up the hose back up and we'll have a heater again. Alright, that wraps it up. Finished up the blazer. Put in the heater core. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, hit that little bell so you know when I upload a new video. From Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. See you guys later. Peace.